Located steps from Sunset Junction, 859 Hyperion Ave is a modern masterpiece. Built in 2020, the home is open, airy, with incredible light pouring in from walls of windows. Its contemporary aesthetic of clean lines and high ceilings, combined with its high-end designer finishes, like custom flooring and Bosch appliances, truly make this home unique. Enter on the first floor from the front door into a formal foyer, or from the two-car garage with direct access. There is a large first-floor bedroom with an ensuite bathroom. The second floor features two bedrooms, both with ensuite baths. One of the bedrooms has incredible custom built-ins for an office, bedroom, or a full-room closet. The best part of the home is undoubtedly the open-plan kitchen, living, and dining room on the third floor with a walkout deck. Open the full-wall accordion door to enjoy true indoor-outdoor California living. Sustainable and incredibly designed by a famed architectural firm, 859 Hyperion Ave is an energy-efficient home with solar panels, tankless water heater, and has an EV plug in the garage. As it is a smart home, you can easily control your lighting, climate, security, and entertainment from your phone or tablet. The home automation includes a video doorbell, lights, a garage door opener, and thermostat on each floor. 859 Hyperion Ave is just steps from Silver Lake's iconic Sunset Junction. The street is quiet yet walkable to a myriad of food, entertainment, and coffee spot options. Intelligentsia, Cafe Stella, Erewhon, Pine and Crane, The Black Cat, and Sqirl, to name just a few. Smart tech, sustainable, oh so Silver Lake. Let's get you home.